Hello everyone! Today we are going to be opening up the Star Wars Rivals character booster pack. I already opened up one off camera, but I sure do wish that I had it sealed for the video. Ray actually opened it up and we got the chase, one of the chases. Well, my chase. The hologram Yoda. So that will be right there just watching us. So let's open up this first one. Okay, the checklist, and we have 3PO. Okay, I can take 3PO. Okay, so that will just go over here. And last and final box. We have our old friend Chewie. It wasn't one of the chases that I wanted. I wanted the Yoda, the Obi-Wan for Obi-Wan, of course. The Princess Leia or Rey for Rey, and the regular Yoda for me, because you all know me, I'm a Yoda fan. So anyway, the disclosure video will be coming out shortly, actually maybe even tomorrow. And thank you all so much, and I will see you later. Peace.